Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing good. So in today's video I'm gonna be telling you how to get TLAUNCHER Minecraft in today's video. So the first thing you have to do is that you need to go into any browser, Mozilla, or you can go to Microsoft Edge or Opera or even Google Chrome. So once you go there, you have to type in tlauncher.org, as you can see here. Then once you do that, you will be directed into this web page. And in this web page, the first step I would prefer you to do is that do the sign up, because I prefer doing the sign up before the download because I think it is more easier, but you can also do it afterwards. So you need to click on sign up, then you will be directed into this page, and you can type your username in the login area and your mail in the email area and your password and your confirmation password, and you need to also click on the reCAPTCHA. So once it's all done, what you can do is that you can go to the home page, and once you go into the home page, you can download the TLAUNCHER file. Yeah guys, so you can download the TLAUNCHER file, but what I prefer, one more thing to do is that you can click on your account, and once you click on your account, you can actually edit your skin. As you can see, this is my skin right here, the basic and classic Among Us, and you can like set up your own skin. You can download the skin, and you can also select the skin from the TLAUNCHER list. Yeah, so this is the list, and you can see here that all the things are right here, and you can see there are different skins, and you can select any one which you want. So yeah, let's get back to the download. So what you have to do is that you need to click on this, the download TLAUNCHER button, and once you click on there, you can see the Windows button. You can do it on like what platform you're using on. We have Windows, we have Apple, and we have Linux. So you click on the Windows. Once you click on the Windows, you will see the download is starting. So as you can see here, the download is already started. I already have the download, so I'll just cancel it, and I'll just go into my files and open the TLAUNCHER setup. So as you can see here, it's saying to click on yes, as the administrator is running on. So you just yes. So once you click on yes, you will get the TLAUNCHER setup. You just need to click continue here, and continue here, and continue, and you need to click on continue here. Once then it will be installed. So yeah, after it's installed, you can see that in your desktop the shortcut will be right here. So you can just open it. It'll be written there TLAUNCHER, but I just changed it for fun as into Minecraft, so it'll be little nice. So guys, as you can see here, the TLAUNCHER has opened. So now what you just have to do is that you need to click on the bottom here, and you need to click on configure accounts. When you click on the accounts, you can just type in your username or email and your password on what we have previously done on the website. As you can see here, my ID and password is already login, so you need to do the same thing here. So what you have to do is that you need to click on add, and you have to type in the email and the username, and your account will be created here. So after that's done, what you have to do is that you need to click on install. You can select whatever version you want here. There's Optifine, there's Forge Optifine, and there's also a latest release. So I just clicked on the latest release. I already have it installed. So you just have to click on install. Once it's done, the game will open. So guys, you just have to wait for some time, and as you can see here, the Minecraft has already opened. So guys, as you can see here, the Mojang Studios is loading. So guys, as you can see here, Minecraft is officially open now. So if you want to play with your friends, you can just click on multiplayer and click on add server and put your friend's server address or any other international server. So you just need to type the address here, and as you can see, I have a bunch of these servers which I am in. So if you want to play on with yourself, you can just click on single player, and you can just like put the world on like which game mode you want, and that's it created. Thank you guys, have a nice day, bye.